Hail all the crap you've been through. And it will probably continue, but just remember, you're not alone, and keep encouraging yourself, because we are our biggest advocate at times. Luckily, we have people, friends, family that can, well, I'm lucky I have very dear friends and a very amazing family that can be supportive and be there for me. Some people sadly don't have that, and that's when your friends can really step up for you. So, if you see someone struggling, just step up a little. And it's karma, man, I'm telling you. You think about someone, you care, you're gonna get that back, I promise you. So this is a song called Hail. Hail all the lonely nights, hail all the tears you've cried, hail all that you survived. Hail all the honesty, hail all that sets you free, hail all that you believe. When darkness comes, that's a chance to shine. When ripples roll, you rise. When darkness comes, shine on your light, so I can get my strength from you tonight. Hail every ounce of pain, hail every ounce of faith, hail every inch of grace. Hail every ounce of cheer, hail every truth you hear, hail all that we hold dear. 'Cause when darkness comes, that's a chance to shine. When ripples roll, you rise. When darkness comes, shine on your light, so I can get my strength from you tonight. Hail all the honesty, hail all that sets you free. 'Cause when darkness comes, that's your chance to shine.